Do you want to make a professional blog for you? If yes, then you are at the right place. Today I am going to announce that if you want to make a professional blog, then I will provide you all the required premium themes and plugins for free and also provide a website template that you can easily import on your website. After that, your site looks professional. You have to buy domain and web hosting from the hostinger by using coupon code 1unish75 or link mentioned in description below and you get 20% discount. Once you purchased web hosting from hostinger using my coupon code, then just comment or contact me through contact page of my website. I send you all premium plugins, designs, and templates. Thank you for watching this videos.